expecting this to be this thick. अरे यार लाइट को भी अभी जाना था. Hi guys, this is Rashmeet Kaur from किताबी वाली लड़की. I hope you all are doing fine. बहुत टाइम बाद मैं वीडियो शूट कर रही हूँ. उसके दो रीजंस हैं. एक, जो मेरा ट्राईपॉड है वो टूट चुका था एंड आई हैव परचेज दिस न्यू ट्राईपॉड एंड आई एम शूटिंग द वीडियो नाउ. एंड सेकेंडली, जब एग्ज़ाम्स होते हैं तो एग्ज़ाम्स होते हैं, जब एग्ज़ाम्स नहीं होते तो उनकी तैयारी होती है. So not a good time for me to just shoot the videos while I am studying or doing other important stuff. That's why I was not shooting for such a long time, but I was active on Instagram if you follow me there. Anyways, this video, as from the title you can see, एक book haul video है. My first book haul of 2022 and also the book haul from Westland Publications, my first and last book haul from this publication house. So basically I was not planning to purchase books अभी because मैंने अगस्त में ही purchase की थी 23 books, जिसमें से मैंने सिर्फ 10 books read की हैं. But ये न्यूज़ सामने आई and we all were shocked. The whole reading community, especially Indian community, was shocked because Westland Publication एक Indian publishing house है, एक independent publishing house है that is being closed down by Amazon. So इसलिए I thought to purchase all the books from that publishing house that I really wanted to read, and yes, I have. So these are the books that I purchased. These in total are 6 books, I guess. 5 or 6 books, I forgot. So yes, these are the 6 books that I'm going to unpack with you guys, and let's just get started without any further ado. Okay, that's a huge book. I was not expecting this to be this thick. अरे यार लाइट को भी अभी जाना था.
One eternity later.
Finally light is back. आप लोगों के लिए तो सिर्फ एक ट्रांजिशन था. I have to wait for at least half an hour. And to be very honest, बहुत मुश्किल था because इतनी ना ये निकल चुकी है. You can see ना. So मैं अपने एक्साइटमेंट को बहुत कंट्रोल की हुई थी जब तक लाइट नहीं आ रही थी. Not to tear it apart and feel the book. So my patience was tested. तो अभी हम ज़्यादा देर नहीं करेंगे and let's just dig right into these books. Oh my god, oh my god. Well, that's the book and dude, it's way too thick. Honestly, it doesn't look like a new book. इसका कवर पीछे से थोड़ा सा डैमेज्ड है, पुरानी सी भी लग रही है. लाइक ये तो काफ़ी टाइम तक इस शॉप में पड़ी रही है, तो वो डस्ट वाले एरिया में. बट लेट्स सी द पेजेस एंड द क्वालिटी. कोई मार्क वार्क तो नहीं है. Pages are all fine, but pages have that yellowish tint or tinge to it. मतलब it doesn't look like new, very new. It looks like a second-hand copy or at least an old copy, if not second-hand. So it looks like yes, somebody has read and then resell it. I hope कि ऐसा case नहीं है because I have paid the price for the whole new book. So Vanishing Generation narrates the engaging tale of a family negotiating change through several generations with all its traumas and joys and success and failures. Shri Kumar's translation retains Varki's singularly authentic voice in all its richness of meaning and depth of substance, giving us thoroughly captivating read. Shashi Tharoor का ये review है and it's about generations, like 3 generations, and उसमें से ना कोई member missing हो रहा था जितना मैंने synopsis पढ़ा. Anyways, the synopsis interested me a lot. It's about Kerala and वहाँ पे एक minority community के ऊपर है, which again interests me a lot, and it's a translated Indian literature and I am very much into translated Indian literature. I am kind of excited but also intimidated by the thickness of the book, so I won't be reading it anytime soon. That's the only thing I can say. आराम से कभी और पढ़ी जाएगी ये book. So this is the first book. Alright, so we have the second package. इसमें I think 4 or 5 books हैं. We'll see कितनी books हैं. Okay, so this book is called Despite the State by M. Rajshekhar. Why India lets its people down and how they cope. So this is the book. This is a non-fiction book and I'm really into non-fiction book and politics and society in general. So this is the book that I purchased. It says that it's a frightening account of India's neglect of basic functions of governance and minimal democracy. So this is one of the review behind this. The point that I want to read these books is to know the factual information, not just the superficial information, but to go deep into with citations, with glossary, and with endnotes, footnotes. This is the second book, Despite the State. Alright, so next book we have is very interesting book, and I was very much interested by the title only. It's Valmiki's Women's 5 Tales from the Ramayana, the epic Ramayana we all know. So it is by Anand Neelakantan. So this is the book, as you can see. I just love this pretty cover. It's embossed. ठीक है, ये तो ऊपर उठा हुआ font है. I love this. So basically Ramayana was written by Valmiki, and these are the women of Ramayana which are least talked about or are forgotten. So these are like 5 tales from Ramayana, and it's a pretty thin book, pretty slim. It's 221 pages, and I think I'll be reading it very soon because it interests me a lot. Epic, legends, religion, spirituality, these all things have a separate place in my heart, and this seems pretty interesting as well. The third purchase is short story collection, and it's also translated. It's translated from Malayalam. It's The Lesbian Cow and Other Stories by Indu Menon. Again, I purchased it because of the title, The Lesbian Cow. I really wanted to know the particular story, Lesbian Cow, and it's basically a short story collection. And what I know कि ये stories फेंट हार्टेड पीपल के लिए नहीं है, बहुत गोरी है, बहुत हॉरर, बहुत वायलेंस, बहुत ब्लडशेड, मतलब बहुत एक्सप्लिसिटली लिखी गई हैं. सो दीज आर नॉट स्टोरीज विच आई पर्सनली थिंक विल बी सुटेबल फॉर पीपल अंडर 18 और पीपल हु आर नॉट कंफर्टेबल इन रीडिंग सच एक्सप्लिसिट स्टोरीज. बट आई एम very much interested. I'm not comfortable, but I'm interested in reading such stories. So yes, this is translated from Malayalam, another translated book we have. So this is the another purchase. Okay, the next book we have is again a non-fiction. It's called The Anatomy of Hate by Revati Lal. So basically जब ये Westland Publishing House के बंद होने की news आई थी, so there were a lot of Insta pages who recommended best books of Westland Publishing houses to purchase, and this was a common in most of these recommendations by pages. The most common book थी, and I had to purchase this because of that reason. Again, it's a non-fiction. It's this book, and it talks about how people can easily be brainwashed in the name of religion, in the name of protecting a religion. So I think that is what it talks about. This is a book about mob and mass violence, again a non-fiction account, and yes, I'll be reading it very soon. We have this book, and this book I read thoda इस book का on someone's story, and I was fascinated by it. So this book is The Women Who Forgot to Invent Facebook and Other Stories by Nisha Suzanne. So this is the book, pretty gorgeous cover, very aesthetic and Pinteresty vibes it gives me. तो इस book के बारे में मुझे ज़्यादा नहीं पता, but what I know कि ये book तब मैं पढ़ूंगी जब मैं बहुत स्ट्रेस में होंगी एंड मुझे कुछ हल्का फुल्का पढ़ने का मन होगा, नॉट समथिंग जो बहुत डीप या बहुत ज़्यादा हैवी होगा, बट समथिंग लाइट जो मुझे हंसाएगा, जो मुझे स्ट्रेस से बाहर निकालेगा. सो दिस इज़ अ बुक आई परचेस्ड फॉर सच ओकेजन्स, बिकॉज पूरे साल में ना ऐसे बहुत सारे ओकेजन्स आते हैं वेयर आई फील डाउन. सो आई होप ये बुक तब काम आएगी टू मेक मी लाफ एंड टू डाइवर्ट माई माइंड फ्रॉम दैट पर्टिकुलर स्टेट जहाँ पे भी मैं होंगी. So yes, this is the last purchase, and these were all the books that I have purchased from Westland Publishing House. Do tell me अगर आपने इनमें से कोई भी book पढ़ी हो, and yes, I'll see you in the next video. Stay tuned.